my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I have so many herbs and spices at home. Unfortunately, their shelf life is not forever. When a spice doesn't smell much anymore and has lost its potency, even its color, it means it went bad. When I cook, I want fresh flavors, so I make many blends from scratch, including Italian seasoning. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Before we start blending our ingredients, we'll have to do this little step, which is grinding the rosemary in a spice grinder. We'll simply pulse a few times so it's finer. That way the blend will be more uniform. Alright, next in a bowl, we'll combine oregano leaves, marjoram leaves, thyme leaves, then basil, our rosemary, and as you can see, it now blends very well. Followed by sage, savory leaves, and the last one, dried parsley, which is not an ingredient that is typically in this particular blend, but I like it. We'll give a good stir until everything is well mixed, and here's our homemade Italian seasoning.
As you saw in this video, it's very easy to make it from scratch, and the freshness will certainly enhance your recipe. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!